Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Cuisine YouTube channel. Today I'm going to prepare Natu kodi pulusum country chicken curry. Spicy and tasty chicken curry recipe. For that, we need dry red chilies, green chilies, fresh tomatoes, curry leaves, whole ginger and garlic peeled, fresh coconut. First of all, we need to prepare dry masala. For that, we need to add some cumin seeds in a hot cooking vessel along with cinnamon sticks, peppercorns, cloves, some bay leaves, and we need to saute it without oil for 30 seconds. Then add fresh coconut, peeled garlic, along with peeled and cut into small pieces ginger. Give it a good mix. Add 4 to 5 pieces of green chilies. Give it a good mix. Then add dried red chilies in that. Around 10 to 15 pieces. Give it a good toss. Add fresh curry leaves and roast it for 2 to 3 minutes. And keep it aside. Blend it with adding of water into fine paste. Let's move to main curry preparation. For that, we need to pour some cooking oil in a vessel. Allow it to get heat for 2 minutes. Then add whole garam masala. Wait for 30 seconds. Then add baby onions. Give it a good mix and cook the onions till it turns into light golden in color. Once onion becomes soft, add fresh curry leaves in that. Give it a good mix. Cook it for 5 to 6 minutes or till that onions turns into golden in color. Once onion turns into golden in color, add washed chicken. Give it a quick stir and sprinkle some salt to help cooking the chicken. Cover with the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Then lid off. Give it a good mix. Pour prepared masala puree in cooked chicken. Give it a good mix and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes with lid on. Take out the lid from cooking vessel, add some turmeric powder along with red chili powder as it required. Give it a good mix and cook it for more 15 to 20 minutes in a medium heat. Add roughly chopped fresh tomatoes and give it a good stir. Cover with the lid and cook it for more 10 minutes. Now add some salt as it required for entire curry and give it a good mix. Our chicken is cooked almost 90%. Now add garam masala powder and give it a good mix. Cook it for more 5 to 6 minutes to enhance the masala flavors into chicken pieces. Chicken curry is ready. Finished with fresh coriander and curry leaves. Give it a good mix and wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Now tasty country style chicken curry is ready. You can have it with a plain rice or chapati as well as dosa and idli also. If you like my video, press the like button and share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe if you're watching first time my YouTube channel Crazy Cuisine. Activate the bell icon for more updates.